This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, September 23rd. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus, 462 to 514, 8 to 900, 537 to 560, 7 to 800, 582 to 607, 6 to 700, 610 to 671, 5 to 600, 650 to 727, 4 to 500, 725 to 850, 3 to 400, 940 to 1070. Heifers 900 plus, 442 to 464, 8 to 900, 476 to 487, 7 to 800, 492 to 503, 6 to 700, 547 to 590, 5 to 600, 596 to 652, 4 to 500, 650 to 715, 3 to 400, 807 to 850. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Mondays on No New Trade Report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume steady with the previous week. Since the beginning of July, fed cattle prices have rallied 7%. Over the past 15 years, this stands as the second largest third quarter price rally, with only 2011 being larger. From a supply perspective, the market should be in the process of working through the largest fed supplies of the year, as slaughter volumes historically peak during the second half of September. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 to 2 cows, 210 to 228, D3 cows, 175 to 209. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 220 to 260. In the U.S., there's no new trade report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 242 in the north and 245 in the south. Show list volumes have been reported larger in Nebraska and Colorado. Last Friday, USDA released its September 1st cattle on feed report. Feedlot placements for the month of August were 10% lower than last year. This is the fourth consecutive month that placements have been below last year. Over the past 3 months, total feedlot placements are down 423,000 head. Texas accounts for over 50% of the total decline. Yes, cattle on feed inventories are below last year, but from a regional perspective, this is not reflective. Cattle on feed inventories in Nebraska are 5% larger than last year. Cattle on feed in Nebraska are record large for September. National Bona cows averaged 310.50 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.59, down 5 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: October 235.85, down 130. December 239.42, down 90. February 241.82, down 52. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.